In this video, a big new Tesla mystery I'll be discussing in detail, plus finally, at long last it appears, Gigafactory Berlin and Gigafactory Austin are about to awaken. With the craziness of the last few days, I think a lot of this stuff is going to fly under the radar, but from a Tesla stock investor's point of view, this is an extremely bullish time for the company. So let's get into the video. Hey guys, thanks for watching. If you enjoy these videos, there's a bunch of ways you can support the channel, access exclusive content and perks, and get some free stocks and crypto. Check out the links in the pinned comment below. You can get 2 free stocks with WeBull, a free stock with Stake, free Bitcoin with Coinbase, and free Bitcoin with BlockFi, and the BlockFi Bitcoin Rewards credit card. You can also pick up some Tesla, Elon, and investment themed merch in the merch store. If you want to take it to the next level, join thousands of members on Patreon to gain exclusive access to over 100 Q&A videos, loads of exclusive content, exclusive access to my up-to-date 10-year Tesla stock price targets, and even access my Tesla valuation model at the investor support level and above. So check out the links in the pinned comment below, and thanks for your support. At long last, finally, some really bullish news for Tesla stock investors around Berlin. Who other than Sawyer Merritt here on Twitter with some breaking news. Quote, approval for the Tesla Giga Berlin factory should be granted on Thursday or Friday of this upcoming week. Grand opening ceremony is already being planned. For those who don't know, that will be taking place on the 22nd of March. Some more details here. This official event at the plant in Grünheide, for which Elon Musk will fly in, is currently scheduled for the 22nd of March. However, fine-tuning is still underway. It could also be the 23rd of March. Goes on, Brandenburg's police are preparing for an event with around 500 invited guests, including the handover of the first 30 vehicles produced in Grünheide to customers. So this is a serious event. We're talking first deliveries. Only about, let me think here, 6, 7, 8, 9 months later than they should have taken place. Shout out to that German red tape and bureaucracy. Keep showing the world how to do things really slowly. The last paragraph also worth quoting. Tesla boss Musk announced for the first time in November 2019 construction of the Gigafactory near Berlin, of which 500,000 vehicles are to be delivered annually for the European continent in the first expansion stage. A little later, in 2020, construction began. Tesla planned at the time that the first vehicles in the Gigafactory should roll off the production lines as early as June 2021. And then of course the red tape and bureaucracy got in Tesla's way. But curious to note, this is good to see some reporting in the media that actually acknowledges the 500,000 vehicle per year target is for stage 1 of the Berlin factory. I don't know how many times I hear morons, especially in the US, talking about the fact that Berlin will produce 500,000 vehicles. That's the capacity of the factory. It really does my head in. We have already seen plans with up to 4 stages for the Berlin factory, as in 500,000 plus another 500, that's a mil, plus another 500 plus another 500, that's 2 million vehicles plus per year from that factory over the long term. I'm not really sure why people continue to fail to mention this very important point. In either case, this is a hugely bullish moment for Tesla and for Tesla stock investors. But wait, there's more. In case you don't know, quote, Tesla and Elon Musk plan grand opening party for Austin facility in April. The automaker plans to hold a grand opening party April 7th for the plant in southeastern Travis County, Tesla CEO Elon Musk announced Saturday on Twitter. And adding further fuel to the fire here, quote, Tesla Model Y from Giga Texas is just one EPA approval away from first deliveries. We're over on Teslarati here. Quote, hundreds of Tesla Model Y all-electric crossovers have been spotted in the lots of Gigafactory Texas in the past few weeks, with some being spotted on haulers to be driven to destinations not known. However, haulers will likely be back soon for another logistics mission to pick up the Austin-made Model Ys and take them to customers for first delivery. Goes on to say that all that's needed now is the EPA approval, and Tesla can begin delivering these vehicles to customers. Between the 7th of March, which is a week away, and the 22nd of March, about 2 weeks later, it seems that the first deliveries will take place from both of Tesla's new enormous factories, Berlin and Austin, in the same month. This is really big news. I just want to show a few quick clips from Jeff Roberts here on YouTube. He's been providing some great drone footage of the construction of the Austin Gigafactory for months now, just to show everybody who hasn't been keeping tabs exactly where things are at. In particular, let's have a look at the parking lot at the back of the building. Oh wait, what's this? Might be worth pausing the video here. What's this that I spot? Know what those are? That's right, they're Texas-made Model Ys. Parking lots now beginning to fill up. Doesn't get much clearer than that. These vehicles are being produced already. And here, an even closer look at the brand new Austin-produced Model Ys. It's a sight to behold. So I just want to make sure that everyone's following along at home here. Next month, which is less than 24 hours away as I record this, in the span of about 2 weeks, Tesla begins first deliveries from 2 new factories, one in Germany, one in the United States. Oh, and in case you forgot, Remember this? Tesla is also starting construction on a brand new facility in Shanghai to effectively double their production capacity to over 2 million vehicles per year. Wait for it, next month. That's right. Not only are first deliveries happening from Austin and Berlin next month, but Tesla is also commencing construction on another million-plus vehicle factory in China. This is madness. I really don't think the stock market is quite ready for this. I'm not sure how or even if Tesla stock will react to this sequence of extremely bullish events, but I certainly wouldn't be waiting on the sidelines to find out. But hey, that's just me. And now, as promised, a big Tesla mystery. Quote, more construction tied to Elon Musk planned south of Tesla's Austin area factory. Quote, Elon Musk appears to be preparing to build across the Colorado River from Tesla Inc.'s Austin area Gigafactory. Construction is planned to begin in June for an $11 million, 220 square foot warehouse on land owned by Horse Ranch LLC, an entity tied to multi-billionaire Musk, according to February 23 filings with the Texas Department of Licensing and Regulation. These kind of filings are often preliminary and don't necessarily reflect final costs or scope of work on new construction, though they do provide some insight into Musk's plans in eastern Travis County. If you don't recall, when the Austin factory was announced, Musk was talking about creating an ecological paradise for Tesla employees and members of the general public. This may be directly related to that, or it may not. The fact that a 220,000 square foot warehouse was mentioned, even if tentative, is a very curious fact. I'm not exactly sure what Tesla might be making there, so please let me know in the comments below if you have any insights, any ideas, any guesses as to exactly what Tesla might be making there. In all seriousness, I have absolutely no fucking idea what's going on here. But a few things. First of all, some people might wonder about the name Horse Ranch LLC. As far as I'm aware, the land previously was actually used as a horse ranch, so I wouldn't read too much into that. I don't think Tesla's going to open up a museum of internal combustion engine vehicles. See what I did there? I'm not going to explain that any further. This is quite the mystery. I'd love to know what you guys and girls think, so please let me know in the comments below if you have any ideas. What's going on here? What will this land, this construction actually lead to? Is this an expansion of Tesla's facilities? Somewhere for them to develop new technology? Could it be related to the ecological paradise? Is Tesla going to build some dirt tracks and let people go wild on Cybertrucks? Is this a not so secret location for prototypes of the Tesla humanoid robot? Is this where Dojo will be housed? I have absolutely no idea whatsoever. There's never been a more exciting time to be a Tesla stock investor. 2 absolutely gigantic factories opening and first customer deliveries taking place within the span of about 2 weeks next month. In addition, the construction of a brand new factory in Shanghai that will ultimately produce 1+ million vehicles per year, also commencing construction in the very same month. Oh, and yeah, there's the whole mystery building on hundreds of acres in Austin. I don't know about you guys and girls, but I'm pretty excited. It's a great time to be a Tesla stock investor. So while the world's attention is justifiably laser focused on the Russia-Ukraine conflict, and by the way, another message of love to my friends in Ukraine, I hope you're all staying safe. And as I said yesterday, you guys and girls standing up, uniting, and fighting against this invasion is inspiring people the world over. There's a lot of exciting developments happening with Tesla at the same time. And just a quick heads up, I'm going to be doing an exclusive Patreon Q&A in the next couple of days, maybe even the next few hours. So if you're already a member on Patreon, you know what to do. And for everyone else, if you'd like to sign up and submit a question, you can do so. Check the link in the pinned comment. You'll also gain access to over 100 exclusive Q&A videos in the archives, plus exclusive access to my Tesla stock price targets all the way out to 2031. So I'll see you over there. I'm Stephen Mark Ryan. This is Solving the Money Problem, and I love you all. Hey guys, thanks for watching. If you enjoy these videos, there's a bunch of ways you can support the channel, access exclusive content and perks, and get some free stocks and crypto. Check out the links in the pinned comment below. You can get 2 free stocks with WeBull, a free stock with Stake, free Bitcoin with Coinbase, and free Bitcoin with BlockFi, and the BlockFi Bitcoin Rewards credit card. You can also pick up some Tesla, Elon, and investment themed merch in the merch store. If you want to take it to the next level, join thousands of members on Patreon to gain exclusive access to over 100 Q&A videos, loads of exclusive content, exclusive access to my up-to-date 10-year Tesla stock price targets, and even access my Tesla valuation model at the investor support level and above. So check out the links in the pinned comment below, and thanks for your support. And if you're still watching, you're awesome. I read every single comment on this channel and I really appreciate your feedback. So if you've got any thoughts on today's video, questions, comments, or suggestions for a new video, let me know in the comments below. Check the cards on screen now to browse the merch store, join Patreon, or watch the next video.